How to add promo code on Walmart. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be teaching you. So first of all, you may just head over and open up the Walmart application on your device, and once you open it up you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now what you may do is, once you are signed in, you may basically look out for the products that you would like to check out with. So you can head over to the products that you would like, tap on it. You can even use the search bar at the top of your screen in order to search for the particular product that you would may want to purchase. You can tap on buy now or add to cart and basically look out for checkout option. So if you tap on buy now option right here, you will be taken to the checkout page directly. You need to be signed in for that. Once you head over the checkout page, what you may do is you may just head over and look out for promo code option, like this one right here. So look out for a section called promo code, and you can just go ahead and type in the details of your promo code, for example, LN10. And once it is applied, you can just go ahead and continue the process. And when you apply the promo code, you can find the discounts or any kind of offers within the promo code being applied to the products that you're purchasing. And that way you can just go ahead and do so. So if you'd like to apply promo code on your Walmart, you may also follow the same process. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.